Then we found sweetheart lychees at the market.
Y'all ever had spicy Cheetos? There you go. TikTok. Welcome to TikTok. Hey Frugivore, welcome back to Frugivore Diet channel. So I'm a little bit croaky because I just woke up, a little bit like a toad, so excuse that. But I wanted to highlight a few individuals who are doing Raw Till 4, or at least one individual, one channel for a start, on TikTok, who's doing Raw Till 4 or close to Raw Till 4. I haven't actually watched the videos, but I assume it's going to be close or, right on, I'm not sure. But, a bit more positive than what we have been doing. Like, I always find it to be positive to try to improve the way other people eat, but kind of less you're focusing on those doing it wrong. You know what I'm saying? So today we're gonna have a look at this video in particular, this first one, and see how the space, that's the channel, is doing on Raw Till 4, because they've tagged it Raw Till 4. But let me go back to start here. I haven't watched it yet, okay? I want to watch it together. I always love watching it together with you, and I want to see your comments down below. Let me know what you think. So, the Space, that's their channel, nearly ended up eating hashtag raw vegan, raw food diet, no sugar, whole food, plant-based, Raw Till 4. So he has tagged it Raw Till 4, so we will see. We will see if he is eating Raw Till 4. Why do y'all care so much about someone else's diet? Probably getting some shit in the comments as usual, but that's how it is when we're living in a sick world. So what we eat in a day, high raw vegans, no sugar, no oil. Okay, wow. That looks good for a start. That looks good. Some sort of salad there with a dressing, I'm not sure of what, but sweet potatoes, fantastic. I don't think for breakfast though. This kind of looks like in the evening. Okay, pink custard apples. Beautiful. Yeah, I have seen these ones at Demoya, I think. I don't know. Amazing. Broke open this 9-kilo jackfruit. Fantastic. Yes, we love jackfruit. Vibrant. He looks vibrant. The food looks vibrant. It's just a beautiful scene, right? Fruit-based eaters. It's just like vibrancy. I love it. I love it. So he's having a piña. He's having a pineapple. So I don't know what quantities he's having, but if you had the entire jackfruit, that's pretty damn great. All right. Banana and ice cream with date and peanut butter. Okay, that's not something I would recommend, but I'm sure it tastes yummy and it's not going to kill you for sure. But yeah, you know what? You know how we feel about the peanut butter. Definitely make sure it's organic because of the glyphosates. It can really be heavily polluted, that stuff, peanut butter, and cause you problems. So make sure it's organic for a start. And, just like combining it with the banana, with the date is not fantastic. It's not a fantastic combination. But look, it's not terrible, okay? This looks pretty yummy. You can try it. Just try it and see how you feel. All right?
Big milestone. I have officially been vegan for 6 months. I have noticed an insane amount of difference in my body. Like, I'm waking up just lean. Like, I love that flat stomach every morning when I wake up. Eat this huge meal and it's all bloated at dinner. You wake up and you look like a supermodel. That is like my favorite part of this diet. My hormones have been able to balance so much better. I haven't needed to take any supplements, anything like that, no fish oil, nothing. My skin has just naturally been clearing up and looking more vibrant, more healthy, more glowy than it ever has. My scars have also been able to improve as well. One other big thing that I have noticed just within the last few weeks has to do with my hair. My hair started coming in so thick and full, and it has grown probably 2 to 3 inches like in a month to a month and a half. It is squarely all the way down to my butt now. And I have it curled today, but it has gotten so long. I've gotten an easy 2 inches out of it since. I'm excited to see what my body looks like in a year from now, much less that I will have saved 100,000 animals just this year alone by not eating meat and dairy. So I'm not going back. I never am. And I just hope to encourage anyone who's in like month 1, month 2, 6 weeks in, something like that, that it does get easier. It becomes a way of life. It's a decision you will never regret. Just keep pushing forward.
That looked delicious. That looked really delicious. And this looks great too. Wow. I'm impressed with this. Okay, this looks fantastic. Sweet potatoes with salad and a cashew dressing. That is not bad at all. That's great and very nourishing. Very, very nourishing. This is more like the amount of sweet potatoes you should be having. Not just one. And here's a male, yes, but even a female, you should be having this much sweet potatoes, and I'd easily knock that back. Easily, okay? And if you're going to have cooked, this is a great option rather than having rice, rather than having pasta, rather than eating things with flour, old wartime grains, bunker. Go for things that are still whole, living, to a certain degree, foods, right? So like the plantains, sweet potatoes, cooking breadfruit, potatoes, they are way better. So yeah, it looks good. Oh yeah, that was a great day. Let's go and check out his channel. Yeah, he's got 154,000 followers. We're doing great there. Vegan yogi couple, fruit-based. Woo! This is wonderful. Let's go to another one. What we eat. This one, I don't know, this is probably quite recent. Let's have a look. 22 hours. Okay, 22 hours ago.
What we eat in a day as high raw vegans. We started by hydrating with the whole cantaloupe, followed by mandarins and...
Yum! I love the cantaloupe. Love to start the day with cantaloupe. Delicious. I'm not sure how much. I'm all about the quantity here. We have to focus on this, okay? I've been in this for a long time. I created the most popular, most successful, and at the time, most successful vegan website, 30bananasaday.com, but fruit-based in particular, in the world. Most popular at the time. And, I've seen a lot of people come and go over the years. I've coached a lot of people. You need to realize I'm very experienced with this, and quantity is very, very important of fruit. You need to get enough volume in. You need to really expand that stomach sac and get that satiation to the brain. And some people kind of want to be all spiritual, like they call it spiritual, where they're like, no, I just want to exist on a little bit of fruit and a lot of prana. You know what I'm saying? Just a lot of nothing, like air, and that won't keep you on track. I've seen it many, many times before, trust me.
Oranges.
Okay.
For lunch, we share this thick...
So I don't know the quantity there, but I would like more. I would definitely like to see more quantity here, because this can add up to 300, 400 calories or something, 300 maybe. And then this can be, just a couple of hundred, and between the two of them, it won't be enough. And even alone, I would recommend more. So what's this?
We share this thick blue dream ice cream. Then we found sweet...
Wow, that looks yummy, but they shared that. Hang on, that is small. That is tiny, but maybe they had more, right? Hang on.
Lunch, we share this thick blue dream ice cream.
Please have more. If that was all you had between the two of you, it's very hard to judge the size because of the angle, and maybe they had one of these each, and it's hard to say exactly how many calories in it.
Then we found sweetheart lychees at the market. For dinner, we each...
Delicious. It would be great if he had made more of a focus on quantity. And I'm not trying to be super critical or anything like that. I'm just experienced, and I know what keeps people on this lifestyle long term. So yeah, more quantity would be great. Wow, this looks good.
Had a plate of golden potatoes with California avocado and split 2 bunches of baby broccoli.
Well, that looked good, right? That looked really good for a dinner. Very clean, very healthy. Like they said, no salt, no oil, I think. And the potatoes, who doesn't like that? Who doesn't like potato and sweet potato cut up like that with avocado? Fantastic. Raw till 4 approved, all the way.
Split 2 bunches of baby broccoli.
Yeah. Awesome. It's an awesome day. Absolutely awesome. I support this day. I would just like to see even more quantity, or just a focus on showing the audience how much they're eating and emphasizing how important it is to eat enough on a fruit-based diet and lifestyle. But they look great. They both look glowing and healthy and lean and, yeah, happy. And the seeds are super tiny, leaving lots of sweet meat. Yeah, so cool, very cool, very cool. They're probably getting a lot of like hell in the comments. I'm not sure. Or maybe that's just me. Maybe that's just me. Y'all ever had spicy Cheetos? There you go. TikTok. Welcome to TikTok. I just know my bloating would go away if I ate like y'all. Yes, it would. What about cheesy gordita crunch from Taco Bell? Welcome to TikTok. Bro, have you ever taken a nap before? I'm eating Fruity Pebble. I thought they were pizza rolls. That's the world that we're born into. I thought they were pizza rolls. Anyway, I think this is great. Fantastic. I am so impressed. And yeah, go and check them out. I'm going to follow them. Go and check out their channel. And I think they're doing great advertising fruit-based and getting a lot of views, reaching a lot of individuals. That's what we need to do. We need to spread this beautiful, peaceful, like nutritious, vibrant message across the planet. Join us on this lifestyle, everybody who is listening to this video. Join us and reap the benefits. It's such a vibrant page. Love it. All right, don't forget to go fruit yourself, and I'll talk to you soon. Let me know in the comments below if you have any ideas on who to review. And also, I want to do a series called like Rate My Plate, where I rate your plate, where you upload what you eat in a day, and just normal everyday individuals like ourselves, and I, not celebrities or anything, and I will rate your plate. Let me know what you think about that, and I'll talk to you soon.